Ngayon, what do you want for dinner?
Jambalaya.
The first time I tried jambalaya was when I dined at a restaurant in QC with my colleagues. Nagustuhan ko siya, then na-curious ako sa ingredients. I get the menu and read it to check what ingredients were in this dish. Then I tried cook it at home using only a rice cooker. Then I let my son try it and he liked it. Now I'm trying this recipe once more. I'm not using the rice cooker this time around, of course. At this point, my dish smells so good. Let me share a trivia with you about this recipe. Jambalaya is a classic dish that originated in Louisiana, United States, particularly in the cultural melting pot of New Orleans. It draws from a blend of influences, including Spanish, French, African, and Caribbean cuisine. Do you want to know more? Jambalaya is came from a word to jumble or to mix up. Jambalaya is often compared to Spanish paella due to its use of rice and similar cooking methods. It's amazing, right? This dish has developed many versions. In the Philippines, our version is called Balenciana. Do you have any trivia, fun facts, or personal twist to add to this recipe? Feel free to share them in the comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more delicious meals. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you're the first to know when new recipes, cooking tips, and pan facts recipes are posted. Let's make cooking fun and easy together. At this point, the jambalaya is almost done.
Nako.
How is it? Do you like it?